Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a super cute and easy paper bag. All you need to have is an A4 paper, a tri-string rod, a pencil, a black pen, a glue stick, a hobby knife, and a ruler. Now let's get started. First, you fold the paper in half, but only make a small mark by the edge at the middle. And then you press firmly. For the other side, fold a centimeter over the middle line and then press firmly. Apply the glue stick on the edge of the side you just folded. And then press it to stick them together. You wait about 30 seconds for it to dry, and then use a ruler to measure about 4 centimeters to make the bottom of the bag. You do it on both sides. Fold it off and press strongly. Make sure that the paper is flattened. And then you make the triangle fold on both sides. Just remember to line up the creases so the bottom will be a perfect rectangle. Now you fold the paper over the middle line and then press strongly. Apply the glue stick on the corners. And then press them. Fold the other half a little bit over the middle line, just about 0.5 centimeter, and then press strongly. Apply the glue stick on the edge. And then press it down. Just wait a few seconds for it to dry. Next, fold the sides of the paper and press strongly. Make sure they are in parallel and form a 90-degree angle with the bottom line. Now put your hand into the bag and press the edge according to the lines you just made. Do it for both sides. And also, if you need to adjust the corners, just feel free to do it. Now we are going to make the bag handles. First, use a pencil and a ruler to mark where you want to have the hole for the handle. Just make sure they are aligned with each other. Draw small circles, just enough to thread the tri-string rope through the circles. Next, use the hobby knife to cut the holes. Well, you can use paper hole punch if you have one that creates small holes, but since I don't have one, so I use a hobby knife and it works perfectly fine. Press the tip a bit harder so you can cut through 2 layers. Now you measure the handles and cut the tri-rope accordingly. I don't like it to be long, so I just cut it around like 25 centimeters. You cut 2 pieces. Then you thread the tri-rope through the holes. Make a knot that is bigger than the hole so it won't slip out. Continue for 4 holes and we're almost done. To decorate the bag, I draw a cutie face. You can draw whatever you want to, and we're done. For more videos like this, please check out our channel. Thank you for watching.